I'm making a monster in Unity. Problem is, I've never coded a monster before. Horror games live or die by their monsters, and I can barely make a cube move. So this should be, well, interesting. So, first I made a cube. That was my monster. And it ran straight into the border and just gave up. No pathfinding, no logic, just, well, standing there. Then, just dissecting 50 different Google pages trying to figure out how to make an AI. Until I figured out someone had already made a really good one. From Alien Invasion, the game. Yeah, if you don't know, Alien Invasion has one of the best horror game AIs ever. So I took a lot of inspiration, let's say. I learned a lot. So, I'm new here, and CoderJax told me to make a launcher. So here we go. So I first took CoderJax's cute little dog model and just made it bigger and added a few claws and to maybe change a little color. But just don't tell CoderJax. But I'm a little lazy. It looked great until it started floating like a haunted balloon. I tried fixing the rig, the collider, the nav mesh, everything. And then it finally worked. The monster chased me and hunted me. It was terrifying. And I decided to add a save system. I built 5 different backups, and then I made backups of backups, and still couldn't get it to work. Then I watched a practice tutorial, and it worked. So yeah, monster AI, floating horror balloons, as a save system. This Devlog, cooler, smarter, and actually remembers your progress. So now here's where you come in. This monster needs a name. Drop your best ideas in the comments. Creepy, cute. I'll pick the top comment and put it in the game. That's it for this update. Caretaker number 1 now has a working monster, a safe system. Next up, I'll be adding more pets types and making nighttime survival an actual nighttime survival because right now it's not. So thanks for watching. See you in the next devlog.